I don't know how this happened, but then one day I observed that the ABS light was always blinking, and I was surprised, like if some sensor was having a problem, and what may could have possibly gone wrong. But then I realized later, after checking all the wires and everything, this wire was having a cut in the middle. So I'm just trying to temporarily fix it by just connecting them back how it was earlier. So I'm just trying to see, and then we'll give you a feedback of the ABS indication that we see there on the tank. Yeah, so to do that, we have to first remove this bolt, and then we'll have to take this out, I guess. Yeah, this is loosen up, and then we'll connect this wire, and then we'll continue this video. So we have connected this wire, we'll test it, and then we'll see if that is going to work or not. Yeah, so if you see, this ABS light is on right now, and earlier when the wire were disconnected, even after speeding up more than 10 km/h, this was still blinking. I mean, it was always on. So now we're gonna test it because we have connected the wire. We'll see if the ABS connectivity is restored or not. Let's just hope for the best.